Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to NPC 2016, and thanks a lot for taking time out from your busy schedule and making it to our first ever Fintech Summit 2016. My name is Anuradha Subramanian, and I take care of partnerships and alliances with NASSCOM 10,000 startups. I will be your host this morning. Putting the summit together has been an absolute pleasure, and we really hope that all of you right here today learn a lot, discover a lot, network a lot, and that basically gives you a lot of things to do. And I think it's time to get right into it. And without any further ado, I'd like to invite Rivi Varghese to give the welcome note. Rivi Varghese is an expert in the art of conceiving, creating, marketing, and selling innovative software products to global customers. Prior to starting up, the dozen-odd products created by him in his 9-year stint at Infosys ensured that banking can be done 24/7 across any conceivable channel or device at any place. Over to you, Ravi.
Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you. So I thought I'll just have three messages. We are just out of Navratri. So when you look at entrepreneurship, it's very closely linked to three Devis, which is Lakshmi, Saraswati, and Kali. Because as an entrepreneur, I feel that I am the manifestation of all these things, all these three things on the planet. The reason is we create jobs, we create dreams, and we actually create money out of nothing. So we essentially are in a very noble profession. I don't think anybody is more nobler than us. So that's one thing. And among regular entrepreneurs, fintech entrepreneurs are even closer to God, because we manage money, we secure the money, we ensure that transactions happen, and we also ensure that money can be delivered. And this is the underlying bedrock of any innovation in the country or anywhere that you talk about. So that way we are in an elite list, and in that elite list we are eliter. Now when you look at banking per se, this space is it throws a phenomenal amount of opportunities. Why is that so? Banking is the only industry in the world where the entire life of the customer goes through the bank. No other industry has this privilege. I know how much salary you get, to how much bonus you have got, to where you stay, what ATMs you use, where your kids are there, how do you have a home, how often do you travel abroad, how much do you spend. Every conceivable input I have with me. No other industry has this privilege. A retailer has a small footprint of your life. A telco has a small footprint of your life. Okay? A bank is probably the smartest industry on the planet. Unfortunately, banks don't realize that. They still think that they are in the world of doing transactions. That is where entrepreneurs like us come in, and then we can unravel it for them. And phenomenal amount of opportunity. Anything that you touch in banking, in fintech, is an opportunity for us. The level of opportunities are at a much higher level. That's what excites me to be in that space. So anybody thinking fintech, please come with this perspective. There is a soul of every individual has a soul, and there is a soul of the customer. The soul of the customer sits in the banking system. We unravel it, whether be it payment gateways, fraud, compliance, whatever you talk about it, we unravel it. Okay? So it's a very interesting space. Now the third message is, hey, it's difficult, the initial journey will be very difficult in fintech, but you can become profitable faster. That's the most important thing. We are not selling a book at 40 rupee loss or whatever it is. You get your act correct. It takes a couple of years for you to get your act correct, and then you sell a license worth X $million, $2 million, $3 million, and that's very that ensures, with or without a VC support, you can still be profitable. You can outlast any type of funding. That's that's my experience being here, running a company for the last 10 years. So that probably sums up the core three messages for you. You guys are great. You are doing great job. The space is fantastic, and you can make money out of it. Welcome to an excellent session here on fintech, and let's use this opportunity to discover new things and go there and change the world. Thank you. Welcome once again.